We all like to be good and smart with a good personality. How it is possible to maintain at once? Yes, possible. Today I will give you solution for it. Watch this video completely. Treat everyone with politeness, even those who are rude to you, not because they are nice, but because you are. Always try to maintain a beautiful surrounding around you by wearing the lovely attire of dignified behavior. It works like a magnet and adds 5 stars to your personality. Yes, I am talking about good manners and dignified behavior. It is that beautiful pack which has got all the essential ingredients of doing the interior decoration of your heart. It makes your personality rich and refined and leaves a glowing impact on your life. It makes you emerge as a superb individual who is valued richly in every walk of life. That superfine pack of self grooming, one by one, I will explain. If you follow it devotedly, you are sure to come up as a winner everywhere. That's guarantee. Go through it carefully and look yourself for a trial. First one is use of language. It is believed that beautiful words softly step out of the mouth and light the flame of happiness in one's heart. Make sure that you speak sweet and lovely words, but mind they must be accompanied by your heartiest feelings too, because then only the impact will be pleasing. Remember to use the words like thank you, sorry, excuse me, and please when you get a favor, when you want to a favor, when you hurt someone, and when you seek pardon, respectively. Second is table manners. The next important stage where most of us fail to maintain our dignity is table manners. One should check that one maintains sufficient courtesy to enhance the beauty of having your meals peacefully. The points which must be kept in mind while eating. Point number 1. Maintain a cheerful treatment, polite conduct and pleasing conversation. Number 2. Do not put your elbows on the table or sit too far. Number 3. Avoid coughing and sneezing at the table. Number 4. Never tilt your chair back. Number 5. Avoid talking while eating. Number 6. Avoid playing with plates and spoons. Number 7. Try to eat quietly without producing any irritating noise. Number 8. Tea or coffee should be directly sipped from the cup. Avoid pouring it into the saucer. Number 9. Make sure that you do not overload anybody's plate while serving. Do not force any food item on someone. One likes to enjoy food as per their requirement. Number 10. Do not act stubborn if you come across unwanted things like hair, insects, etc. in your food. Silently put that portion of the food aside. Next point is general behavior. Behavior is that mirror in which everyone displays his image. So one must forward the best behavior to the world because what you reflect is reflected back to you. Some rules that you must follow for outstanding results. Number 1 is present yourself in the best possible way. Try to dress in such a manner that you are looked up to as the role model. Number 2, respect your elders. Listen to their precious advice for self-improvement. Number 3, keep away from the company of negative and fussy people. Avoid gossiping and talking ill of others. Number 4, develop a sense of gratitude towards your benefactor. Number 5. When guests arrive at your place, make sure you give them a warm welcome. Treat them respectfully. Offer greetings. Try to meet all their needs and accommodate them so beautifully, not only in your home but in your heart as well. This way, you can have some very good contacts in life, and who knows, they may turn out to be very good friends or guides in time of your need. Friends, try to inculcate all the goodness into your system through these good manners. You are sure to emerge as an exceptional individual once your heart is decorated by their graceful impact, and then you can accommodate the whole world in it. Own good behavior and you will own everything. Do you agree?